welcome to my channel, Blossom Attorney Check. If you're new to my channel, welcome. First of all, I'm going to talk about this Noobie box. It's a free subscription for first time. If you register for the first time, I believe it's just $5.95 for shipping. So we're just going to go ahead right into the video. Alright, so on the box it says made with love in NYC. Connect with us and share your Noobie box. So it has a website and the info and Noobie box. And it says founded in 2015 by 3 European moms, helping thousands of new moms celebrate a new life, smoothing the transition into motherhood. What a great way to actually start a box for all new expecting moms. And it says enjoy your carefully curated gifts. Only the best we got. Yeah. And there's a pregnant mom with the heart and the belly and the box. It says hello gorgeous, your gift has arrived. And it says open here. I believe that's it. Oh, it has can't wait to meet you, balloons. This box includes important information for you and baby. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open it. And let's see what we got here. So it has this postcard that states, Dear Noobie Mom, sit back and enjoy this moment for you and the beautiful baby in your belly. Unwrap your Noobie box filled with exciting goodies and helpful tips and tricks to support you on your motherhood journey. Love, Noobie box. That's pretty cute. And here's a sticker. And they have teal packaging. Let's see if I can open it with my right hand. Trying to do this with one hand. Alright, well, I guess I'm just going to go ahead and try to rip it. One second. Alright. So first of all, it's a booklet, Noobie Guide. Pregnant women. It says coupons and tips for new moms. Art prints. It just states, let's see the continents. Number 2, Noobie box revealed. Number 5 is 9 tips to get better sleep during pregnancy. 8, baby registry checklist. 11, birth facts. 12, a few thoughts for a good start. 15, newborn must-have. 17, 3 families, 3 stages. Mom interview. What's next? Noobie guide for 2018. And let's connect. And they have Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. So it just talks about the birth facts. It has I'll go for a coupon. Disinfect, don't worry, free. Just talks about being pregnant or belly bands. And this is just a brochure or a package telling you what's in the box or how to overcome new moms to be. Alright, so we'll go to the next one. So we'll see what's in the box. So they have the Homicell saline solution. It's a nasal drop, specially made with Himalayan salt. Natural non-medicated relief for dry, irritated nasal passage, nasal decongestant, loosen mucus moisturizer for frequent daily use. And there's 5 single doses. I've never used this before, but we'll give it a swirl. Baby's nasal drops. New single doses. And that's how it looks like in the back. So the next is the ultra soft baby diapers. size 1 for 2 pieces, parasol, and I've never had this before, but we'll give it a try. I've always used Pampers and Huggies. I love them both. I've used a couple brands, but I've never used this, and I'll let you guys know. And the next product that's in the box, Purell Healthcare Surface Disinfect, 30 seconds contact time. So it's actually for disinfecting everything in the house, from germs to anything, you name it. And it's a spray bottle. So the next thing that's in the box is the Aquifer Advanced Therapy Healing Ointment Baby Skin Protectant, pediatrician recommended for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. Relieves diaper rash within 6 hours. I love all these travel sizes, by the way. I can actually take it with me traveling. Alright, so the next thing is the mom bottle. The ma'am bottle. It's probably 6 ounces. And it's pretty cute. It has a little teddy bear on the side, 2 bears. And that's how it looks. And the next one is the Lanocell sample inside. Breastfeeding samples, 2 disposable nursing pads, 2 breast milk storage pads. And it has, I think it's just a sample, 2 samples to actually for the breastfeeding samples, of course. Smart pump. Okay. And the next one is the water wipes. I've heard a lot of review about this. I may like it because babies are really sensitive. Throughout my whole years, I've actually never had a sensitive baby, but this is actually pretty good on the go, especially for moms to be, for mothers to actually wipe their hands, to actually do anything, you name it. Whenever they get dirty, you can actually wipe their hands, of course. It says right here, they're behind their hand, their face, anything that makes them dirty. Water wipes, the world's purest baby wipes. So it has 99% water and a drop of food extract. Alright, so if you're interested in getting one of these Noobie box, I'll have a link down below. If you like this movie or this video, go ahead and subscribe and like. If you have any questions, you can always let me know in the questions or the comments below, and I'll answer as much as I can. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye.